Hey everybody, After Shower Josie here, coming to you in 4K or whatever. We haven't done this in a while, and I wanted to show you what my after shower skincare routine is. So if you could like and subscribe, as always. You don't have to turn on notifications because, well, who cares? That's up to you. That's up to you. That's your own personal preference. I'm not going to tell you to do anything. First things first, I, for whatever reason, can never get all my eye makeup off. So, Bioderma, you're my girl. Okay, so we're just going to take the rest of my eye makeup off. And of course, we're going to squeeze some of the eye makeup remover into my eye when I do that. Because that's how I roll, okay? Okay. I do have a little... This is where I had to pluck some of my beard. No, I'm kidding. We all get little chin hairs as we get older, and this one apparently hated me. So, anywho, get your excess eye makeup off, because that's a good thing to do. First things first, I have been really loving this. It is an essence. It's by Purity, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It kind of smells like... incense, I guess. I don't know. I use a little bit of this. The fabulous Gallet shoppers told me to try this and put it on before anything else because it's the thinnest. So let's just pad that in. The next thing, and I still use this stuff and I absolutely adore it, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tightening Toner. I don't know if it works, but I like the smell. Okay. Please excuse me, I'm really tired. So you pat this on your face too. I just poured too much in my hands, but it smells really nice. It's almost like watermelon. And yes, I put it on my chest, on my lips. It's like watermelon-y cucumber smell. There we go. And we just let this dry. So as we let this dry, we're just gonna force it into my skin. So let it dry. It does dry down a little bit sticky at first, FYI, but it's delicious and I really like it. And I like staying looking young because I'm not anymore. Well, I'm young for some people, but I'm very fastly approaching the big 4-0, and I'm not looking forward to it. That's a lie. I'm actually looking forward to it. So we're going to let that dry down, and I'll be right back. So our next one is this Pure Collegen 5% serum that I've been testing out. I don't know if it does anything. Because I have EDS. Right? Oh, and if you have to shake stuff, always remember to squeeze the dropper out and then get new drops. So, EDS is a collagen... I'm just going to rub that in. My collagen doesn't collagen properly. So, taking collagen supplements and stuff is kind of useless. It doesn't taste very good. It tastes like salt water, almost. So, yeah. There we go. See how red my face gets? Yay! Yay! So, collagen for us, it doesn't, we can take collagen, but it doesn't do anything. It's kind of like a waste of money, so I don't take it. I do take these things. Coenzyme Q10 and a bunch of other crap, but that's a different story. Next, my watermelon niacinamide drops by Glow Recipe. I absolutely love these, and I think this one is almost empty, so we have to take it out of the tin. scoop it. I need to buy from Sephora that like container scooper thing. I don't have one yet. So we're going to put that on. And I really pad this into right here all the time and into my lips. Because it really does help. And I kind of ignore my forehead a little bit. Like I don't do it as much as my other parts of my face because I get Botox for migraines. The nice thing about that is makes me look like my forehead's 25 forever. So so I will always have a 25-year-old forehead, which I'm okay with. And P.S. I think the L'Oreal purple shampoo works better than the Moroccan oil one. Because I purple shampooed my hair tonight, and this is the result, kind of. So the last thing that I use at night, and now this depends on the day, okay? Sometimes, especially in winter, if it is really dry, I will use my Elms, I don't know if I'm saying that right, the superfoods. Because it's amazing and it smells like food. The other one that's amazing, and I've been hooked on Glow Recipe, is this Plump. Like, I freaking love this so much. Okay? So, I will use that and I will mix it with, we've all seen these before, Tropez, my Purity Vitamin Water Drops. I'm a natural blonde, so it's like I have 7N hair is my natural hair color. Like, this is my second pot of this and it's almost gone. I absolutely adore it. And everyone's like, oh my god, do you still use your Mineral 89? I use it during the day. So 2 pumps of my tanning stuff, and we just kind of mix that together and actually rub this on your face and down your neck, because you don't, and make sure you get it on your ears so you don't look weird. It's amazing what people don't do, and then they're like, oh, it didn't work the way I wanted it to. And it's like, well, it's because you did it wrong. So what I will do, especially if I don't want to get up again, I will take some makeup remover and just wipe that off my hands so my hands don't tan. Yes, Josie's been there. Can you tell where we've been? Where we don't want to go again. So that is my nighttime skincare routine, pretty much in a nutshell. Besides, every once in a while, I know, Glow Recipe, shocking, right? The Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream is amazing. I don't use a lot of retinol. Like, I will use this much. Eye cream. Use your middle finger or your index finger, your ring finger, because we're just going to put that right there where your fine lines are. Start it where your fine lines are, and then move it around. Because they don't push as hard as your pointer fingers, and you don't want hard pushiness on your eyes because your skin is thin. And like, that's about it for a nighttime skincare routine. My face feels moisturized and nice and hydrated, and I love it. Like, it's been helpful. I don't think I look as old as I am. I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't think I look as old as I am. I hope that I continue not looking as old as I am, because that's the goal, right? Goals. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will put a list of the products down below. I don't have any links or affiliate codes or anything like that anymore, but I do still love products and I like using them. And if you guys like using them too, there's the list. Anywho, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I hope you guys continue enjoying more variety of content that we are having on the channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!